How to fix Headspace audio not playing during meditation. If you're facing this exact issue as well, the first thing that you can try out to solve this issue is try to log out and log in back to your Headspace account. So open up the app of Headspace, head over to the settings, scroll down, tap on logout, and once you've been logged out, try to log in back. This refreshes your session and sometimes might help to solve this issue. But however, if the issue still persists, the second thing that you can try out is try to reinstall the application. So just head back out of the app, uninstall the application from your device, and then again re-download it. This ensures that you have the latest version, which often resolves any sort of bugs related to the audio playback. Also make sure that you have a stable internet connection if you are streaming or trying to download the meditation offline as well. Now, if none of these solutions are working out for you, this also might be a glitch on your phone. So what you can do in this case is restart your device. Once you complete all of these steps, you should be able to fix the Headspace audio not playing error. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. That's pretty much all for today. I'm going to see you in the next video.